Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Bracketron MagAlign Extend, a 15 watts MagSafe car mount and charger that works on your vent or windshield. This was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the box you get the manual, a magnetic ring for your case or phone, dry and wet cleaning wipes, magnetic ring alignment card, the main magnetic charging pad, the vent clip for your car, extendable arm with the windshield suction cup, a dashboard pad, a USB-C car power adapter, and lastly, the USB-C charging cable that connects to the main charging pad. Quick feature overview. This charger has 15 watts fast wireless charging. It features a MagSafe alignment for quick snap-on. You can mount it through vent, windshield, or dash mounting options. It has an extendable arm for better reach. It has a strong magnet that keeps your phone secure. And it works with MagSafe iPhones and magnetic compatible cases. I have S26 Ultra that has a magnet on the case, so if you have Android phones that has a magnet in the case, you can use this to charge your phone. In our Kia Sportage, I tested all three mounting options, vent, dashboard, and windshield. They all work, but I personally prefer the windshield mount for long-term use. The suction cup stayed tight, and even over bumps and turns, the magnet held my phone with zero wobble. On my Galaxy S26 Ultra, the charging indicator showed fast charging, confirming the full 15 watts output. The magnet is seriously strong, and the phone didn't shift at all while driving. Overall, the Bracketron MagAlign Extend is a reliable fast charger with a flexible mounting options and a top magnetic hold. If you want a stable setup for your vent, dash, or windshield, this one performs really well. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.